Guys, if you trade stocks or even thinking about trading stocks, you gotta check out the #1 stock screener, DDAmanda. Find winning stocks and make money. If you like this video, please hit the like button, the thumbs up, and subscribe. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Okay, that right there is a tank, 30-gallon, that gets fed from the solar still up there, which puts out what I call sun water. But basically it's distilled water. And it gets piped into my refrigerators and the refrigerator. And then this is my solar battery bank. And I used to fill up gallon jugs and, use a funnel and little watering things and all sorts of that other thing that, you press down. Then I had the bright idea, why don't I just hook a hose to my water tank, and this is it right here, and then I could fill my solar batteries with water, my lead acid. See, this thing's already got, it gets about a gallon, more, sometimes more than a gallon a day, and this thing's already up to here, so it's got like probably 20 gallons in there. So anyway, here's my hose. This is one of those 25-foot RV hoses, right? There's my junction box. And then I can fill up my batteries pretty easy. It works pretty good. So I already filled up with that. That didn't get on right. I already filled these, and I put the rock there to let me know when the next one, to fill the next one. So let's just see. Let's get through this rock. See, and these can use some water, but look, check this out. Oh, I like to flush it first. I should have put this into a gallon jug, but I'm getting plenty of water. But then all you gotta do is fill it up. I fill it to where it hits the, but this is so much easier, and I wasn't looking forward to doing this, but now I am, because, hey, it's pretty fucking simple. I like lead acid. They seem to, the only bad thing about them is having to fill them up with water, but other than that, they seem to last longer than the ATM. And they do make automatic waterers where you can, that'll automatically fill them, but they have issues also. So, and then I heard about a really cool trick. See, I got a air duct coming in here from my cabin that keeps this cool. My hobbit house. But I came across a forum, and this guy said that, and see, these are inside of this is a 6-inch block, and they're all contained, but what he does is he fills this fucking thing up with water. And that keeps them cool in the summertime. And I thought that was a great idea. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to pull all these out, and I've got another one of these that I want to build to put 24 more, or 12 more batteries in. Well, wait, how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 24 more in, yeah. Because I want to go to 48 volts. This is on 24 volts. And I'm telling you guys, if you build a solar deal, go to 48 fucking volts right from the get-go. Don't fuck up and get low, go 24. Because with 48 volts, number one, you don't need this thick of wire coming from your panels because you got 48 volts. And, the higher voltage, the less the thinner wire you can use. But ain't this cool? So easy. Alright, that's it for that. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.